What's up, YouTube? It's me, Steve. Another video. This time it's finally going to be back to 3D printing related content. And yeah, just kind of want to talk about how I actually end up getting free stuff from Bambu Lab simply by uploading my prints onto their Maker World website. So these two right here, I uploaded, let's see, does it show? So on October 22nd of 23, not even a year ago, I uploaded my Umbreon to the Maker World website, and actually and Jolteon on the same day. My Ninetails got reported and taken down for some reason. But these are all models that I made and put on the Maker World, and people have liked them, and since they've liked them, I've made a lot of money from Bambu Lab. $40 gift card, $40 gift card, $40 gift card, $40 gift card at the LED lamp kit, $40 gift card, $40 gift card. And as you can see, gift card. Shop rating to redeem the gift cards can only be used. I don't want to do gift cards right now. Why is it making me do gift cards right now? No, okay, that's not done that before, but okay. And as you can see, just under 500 points, it's gonna get you $40 from Bambu Lab. So with my giveaway, what I intend to do is to redeem these points and give them away. But you can see there's all kinds of different things that you can actually get as a reward. I mean, that engine's got to be pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It doesn't take much. I mean, you have a lot of different models to choose from if you don't want to make your own, or you want to feel inspired. Bambu Labs Maker World's definitely got a lot of things on here for you to kind of take a look at and get inspired. But again, I don't have anybody following me. All I have are people giving me boost tokens. So I've made 44 boost tokens total, and have made over $1,000 just in redeeming points. So there you have it. This is the one way I end up not paying for filament most of the time. That's what I've used my points for in the past, but this time what I'm going to do with my points is I'm actually going to have a giveaway. And to enter that giveaway, you have to watch this video, be a subscriber, Hopefully you like it so that I can reach 500 subs by October of this year. And that's on my YouTube channel. If I can do that, I'm going to go ahead and give away all the gift cards that I can redeem. So far it's looking like, you know, about $100 as far as the giveaway. So subscribing to this channel and commenting on this video, putting in my dog's name, Milo Wren. You put that in the comments of this video, that enters you to win all the gift cards that I'm going to redeem from Bambu Lab Maker World. So this is just one easy way to not pay for filament, maybe make a couple friends. Everybody that I've seen on Maker World's been pretty cool so far. Everybody on the internet seems to have varying opinions of Bambu Lab, but it seems like everybody that's on here is kind of on board with just, hey, they're a company, they do things that companies do. But with that said, make sure you enter the contest to win my Bambu Lab gift cards, because I'm going to do that giveaway in October. Go ahead and take a quick look at what's going on inside of the printer. Pretty good live feed. I gotta say, Apple Vision Pro has definitely inspired me to make cooler content. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you're a subscriber and you comment on this video, my dog's name, Milo Wren. Enter yourself for a chance to win. Over $100 in Bambu Lab gift cards is what it's looking like now. Come October, I wouldn't be surprised if it was $200. So I'm gonna do a live stream, give away the Bambu Lab gift cards. Hopefully you're around for it, because there's going to be more 3D printing related content. And hopefully you're around to see it. So thanks for stopping by and checking this video out. Thanks for being awesome. Have a good one.